Needs a cat kit from what I understand. The small monitor in here is a vertical monitor that's bolted to the top. So the monitor, when you would purchase the monitor, I believe you have to buy a monitor that is vertical, not vert, not horizontal monitor. I believe most monitors are horizontal. That's what it does. I watched a YouTube video on folding, what this is doing. It's folding and whatever else that is called, and somebody put caps in and fixed them, but that is really beyond my capabilities. It's a very rare machine.